In a world that glorifies toxic hustle, we forget a fundamental truth. You cannot burn bright if you completely run out of fuel. Continuous grinding without recovery isn't discipline, it's burnout. Step away from the screen, close your eyes. Whether it's a few minutes of quiet meditation or a gentle physical stretch, give your nervous system permission to completely reset. Rest isn't a reward you only earn after you are completely exhausted. True strategic rest is an active tool you use to maintain peak focus during your high-intensity work blocks. When you step back, your brain synthesizes everything you've learned. The most complex problems often solve themselves when you finally give your mind the quiet space to breathe. Disconnect to reconnect. Protect your peace just as fiercely as you protect your work hours. Rest deeply, recover fully, and come back stronger. Follow for more insights.